Hey, it's Pat with Master Building Inspectors once again. MasterBuildingInspectors.com, 937-565-4483. We are doing an air sample test today. We're going to do a radon test as well as a mold test in this home. With that said, mold tests, we do 3 of them. 1 of them is outside, 2 of them are inside, so we have a control outside, so we really know what the byproducts of the home are. Well, with that said, there takes about 30 minutes, 35 minutes to get everything all set up and running and get those samples done. I would encourage you to do so for the breathing quality of your home. Radon, by the way, is the #2 cause of lung cancer in America today. So I encourage everybody, get your home tested. Feel free to give us a call, 937-565-4483, or check us out on the web at masterbuildinginspectors.com. Thank you much. Have a wonderful day.